welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is gonna be a home update. So you know what that means. We're gonna be switching, changing, rearranging. And despite the fact that I'm like dressed up right now, I was actually filming another video prior to this. We're actually gonna be getting our hands dirty. We're getting down and dirty. We're gonna be sanding walls, painting walls, finishing up some spaces. So yeah, Rob's upstairs charging the drill now, getting the supplies ready. It's gonna be a good one. We're working in RG's room, Briella's room, the butler's pantry. It's gonna be a whole bunch of DIY projects. I guess not necessarily, well yeah, like DIY, but also we're outsourcing for someone to install some things around the house. You get the point. It's gonna be a good one. You know there's gonna be a haul in there as well. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, you wanna hang out with us, you wanna see how we update our space, then please just keep on watching. Okay you guys, so we are back in RG's room and we are ready to party. What we're gonna do today is patch up the holes. We're going to paint the wooden panels like a brighter white. We're gonna hang back up the wall art. We've got new sconces coming in the mail that we're gonna attach. Basically, we're gonna be focusing on this wall, getting it done, getting it in. And I say we, but y'all already know.
Singular we.
It's singular we, it is he. Rob's gonna be doing this. So let's hop to it. Do it to it.
Okay. All right, what we got going on, Kara?
I am filling in the gaps with caulking.
Awesome.
And the reason I'm doing this is to kind of smooth it out so that it looks like one long piece of wood instead of having these like little
sticks and stones.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So
yeah, this is what it's looking like right now. I'm gonna blend it out once it's drying, and then we're gonna paint everything. Not the whole wall. I'm not doing all that, but
we're working on it.
We're working on it.
Making progress.
Let's go.
Listen, y'all. I taught Rob everything that he knows. Okay?
Did you now?
Rob, just let them know that the reason why you know how to do things around the house is because of me, okay? I taught you these things because look at me go. Clearly a professional.
Yeah.
Clearly know exactly what I'm doing. I'm killing it right now, Rob.
So what are you doing exactly?
I'm patching up holes.
Okay.
And I actually now have a newfound respect for you doing all this stuff because this is not an easy thing. It's actually kind of like annoying. It's annoying. So anytime now where I'm like, actually, I want you to hang it here. I want you to redo this. Like, I gotta give it up to you because I would be like, no. I would be like, no, we're not doing that. You said here, this is where it's gonna be.
I hear you. All right, well, let's keep it going.
Yeah, let's
Good job,
do
Kara.
this. Thank you. Hey, give it a thumbs up for me.
Thumbs up
okay?
for Kara, y'all.
Okay, you guys, so we are now in Briella's room and we need to change this mirror situation. So we have obviously her mirror right by the closet. It's super cute. We want to keep it there. But if you notice, the mirror is actually coming out from the wall. Whoa, actually, I'm not even going to touch that because that made me nervous. But it's coming out from the wall here. It's starting to a little bit in the middle. I really don't even think you can see that. That one's pretty secure, surprisingly, but it's only a matter of time for this to like topple over. We obviously don't want that. That would be very bad. So what we're gonna do is cut out this drywall, add a piece of wood back there to kind of connect it to the wood. You guys, I don't even know if I'm doing a good job explaining this, but basically we're gonna create our own stud going across and then drill the mirror into the stud so that it's secure, because right now it's literally just on drywall. So I don't know why I knocked. Like, I know what I'm doing. So basically we need a stud there so it can be secure so it won't fall off the wall. We're gonna make a stud. We've never done this before, so if you see us doing it wrong, my bad, but it is what it is. We're gonna try to make this work. Also, Briella's curtain is dipping down. I don't know if you can really see that, but there's a dip. There's a clear dip, and we need to lift up the rod a little bit and get a stronger anchor to put into the wall so that the rod doesn't dip. So yeah, you guys, I mean, I'm just showing you every little thing as far as like the house and things we go through and things we DIY, and maybe we mess up on a few areas, but we're trying to fix it. We're trying to get it right, get it tight, and let's do it.
What?
It's just you traced the piece of wood. It was funny to me.
Oh.
Oh my God, I'm scared. Look at that little thing. Come on.
Damn it, hang on, I'm scared to take this off. Ah!
He's a grower, not a shower. No, okay, here we go.
Alright, am I doing
First
this
cut is the deepest.
Can
Sorry.
you back up?
Oh, my bad. Ooh.
You gotta stab it.
Careful. Watch that elbow. Okay. Okay. Rob, are you sure?
Yeah.
Because you're hitting a stud. You're hitting a stud, boo.
Oh, great.
What?
So I'm gonna have to angle it inside.
I'm sitting down, y'all.
Oh yeah, it's so much easier to do now.
Okay. The power is off, y'all. Don't worry. We have turned the power off to this room. Ooh, you got it?
I do.
Okay, here we go. Let's get it. Oh my gosh, y'all.
I've never done this.
My anxiety right now,
Sorry.
literally.
Hey!
All right, we got one slice. Here we go, slice number 2. You got it, Rob.
Thanks.
Oh my God. Is that supposed to happen? So you have to cut the insulation out too?
Nah,
This is
I'm
gonna
not supposed
get
to be hitting
weird.
insulation because it's covered in a paper bag.
Okay, so
That's
you're
why-
going too far. Okay, ease up, homeboy. I'm assuming a stud is coming soon. Rob, wait. I don't know.
It's fine.
Okay, I don't have a good feeling.
Just trust.
Bad you cutting it like a steak knife.
You think this is what they use in Salt Bay restaurant?
Rob, probably to like saw down the bone. Yeah. Okay, y'all, it's about to pop out. Get ready to see the inside of our house. Oh, I just ran to the crib. Oh my gosh.
We're about to see some foil, y'all.
Is Briella's room about to be freezing all year round?
Alright, shout it.
That wall is shaking.
I'm shaking.
Imagine if the whole thing went crumbling down. Oh! What's that? Oh!
Yeah, it's
How are we gonna get a stud in there? Praise be.
Oh, I'll
Look
do
at that. Ew, this looks kind of, I don't know. This looks kind of weird.
There's a monster in the wall. Ah!
All right.
It's so close to the wall.
What do you mean? Here, put the wood is too big. I can tell you that right now. Come on, let's try this wood. I don't understand what we're trying to do
It's too
here.
close to the wall.
Okay, measure on that piece of wood what size wood you need. Like draw on that piece of wood the measurement for here.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, y'all, this looks crazy. This is so scary. All right, y'all, we back. We got a decent sized piece of wood this time. And Rob, one thing about Rob, he gonna find a way to figure it out. He's gonna use tools around the house, tape, pencils, pillows to hold up cabinets.
Hey.
Like Rob's gonna find a way. It might not be the professional way, but it gets done and it looks good. So here we go.
Appreciate you, babe.
Rob just needs a little bit of help on this. We're literally drilling in this piece of wood into that stud, and into that stud he drilled pocket
Holes. Yeah.
holes, and we are installing now pocket hole screws. That's not right. What are we doing? What are we doing?
Basically a diagonal screw because I can't get in through the top or the side of here.
Okay, cool.
So, yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I need Kara to hold this piece of, what's this thing called? A putty knife?
The putty knife.
Yeah, I need you to just hold it like this. Don't push it up, don't push it down. See, it has to be straight, okay?
Has to be straight. Okay,
Yes.
got it.
So we got
Listen, you guys, where else are you gonna find on YouTube people not acting like they're pros and just keeping it real? Like, we're just learning. We're in the season of learning how to do things around our house, and we're taking you all on the journey. So don't leave comments. You should have did this or should have. You guys, we're learning. We're literally learning.
Yeah.
This is our first time doing stuff like this around our house, and I know other people out there watching can relate. You're probably in the same boat, and you know what? You just gotta do it. You just gotta cut the drywall, figure it out when you get there. So that's what we're doing.
Okay, here we go.
Is it even in the wood though?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, it worked. Oh my gosh, Rob.
All right,
Oh my gosh, wait, is it strong?
push it.
Oh my gosh, we have a stud.
I know. This is so crazy.
Okay, you guys, I mean, this whole video is turning out to be like, let's patch up the wall. So
It was over
basically-
here. Yeah.
yeah.
All right,
So
all right.
basically, we have our pieces of wood in. Now we're gonna put the drywall back on and literally patch it up. We have this gauze-looking tape.
It's joint tape.
Oh, joint tape.
Yes.
You know what, Rob?
I'm gonna learn
Okay.
you something today.
Okay. What Rob is gonna do is get this joint tape and literally tape the outline of the little rectangle, then put putty over it, and then sand it down, and then paint it.
Exactly.
So, let's do it. My mom's on her way with the children, so we gotta be quick. but I'm really excited about these. They are RG's sconces. So RG got new sconces. They're very light. I don't know about the quality because they're so light, but maybe it's okay. Come on. Oh my. This is gonna look really good. Okay, so this is the sconce. So basically it's gonna be able to turn. It's one of the ones where you plug in. So we'll be able to actually use it. It'll be functional. This is different, it's cool. It's gold, but it's not girly gold. Get up close. Really excited about this. Like it was never missing.
Yep.
Like that just never happened. Briella's gonna come back in her room and think nothing. She's gonna say,
idea what
yeah,
happened.
this is my room. Nothing changed. Yeah, okay.
And we are back. It's time to paint and hopefully get this room done today. I don't want it to bleed into tomorrow. So yeah, let's get going.
Okay, you guys, we just finished up. Well, we actually finished last night, but I wanted to show you RG's wall. I'm seriously obsessed with it. Hold on, let me pull the blinds or pull the curtains up so we can get a clear view. If you're ready to see RG's wall, let's get a countdown in 3. I need to vacuum, ignore that. 2, 1. Ah. So pretty much it's like the exact same setup as we had before with the wall art. I got these wall art pieces from Home Goods, and the sconces I will have linked down below. I like these sconces so much better. We don't have to worry about one drooping and hanging weird. They both are functional, which I really, really like as well. I know the cords hanging down are not everyone's cup of tea, and again, that's fine. This is not your room, it's RG's. We really, really like it. He loves it. He was so excited about it. The paneling really made the wall like something special. I feel like if you are maybe in a predicament where you like the space, you like the wall art in your space, you like the wall color, but it just doesn't pop, try thinking about adding like panels like this or like some type of unique molding on the wall to really make it, like I said, something special. I feel like it's no longer just a blank wall. It's something soft, something minor, but it really made such a huge impact in the space. I really, really like this. I think it looks awesome. For some reason, it kind of gives me like a beachy vibe in a way with the paneling. I don't know, it's really cool. Not the whole room. The whole room is not beachy, but you know what I mean. Like the paneling back there looks very just like casual and youthful and fun. And I really, really like this space. And yeah, you guys, I'm really happy with it. So let's give it a thumbs up for Rob and continue on with the vlog. And really quickly, this is the progress on Briella's wall. So the joint compound is pretty much all dry. There's just a little spot. I don't even know if you can really see it. There's a little spot right there that's not 100% dry, but up here, pretty much dry. We just have to sand it down and paint it and then hang this mirror back up. It'll be strong and secure now because again, that piece of wood is in there, so we'll be good to go.
Guy when the night ends, what you gonna do about it? Tell you what, let's forget about it. You've got enough fancy friends and a way about you. Like your luck, it's never ever gonna dry up. No.
No! We were doing so good.
What happened, Mama?
It's cracked. There's a crack in this one. I don't know if you all can, yeah, you can see that right there. There's a crack in this one. So what does that mean?
It broke.
Right. So what do we do?
So you'll hold it like this, and then it won't crack.
You hold it like that and it won't crack?
Yes.
I don't know about that. We're probably gonna have to return it. Let's check the other one. I had a feeling, as I was opening this, I said, I don't have a good feeling about this. Do you think these are cracked too?
I think so.
I hope not. You think so. Nope, we're good.
That's good.
This one's good. So we got 2 good ones and 1 broken one so far. Let's check
we
on
got
this
2
one.
broken ones and 1 broken one.
Nope, just 1. This one's good too.
That one's
Okay, so I have to call them to return that one, basically. Okay, say bye, guys.
Hi guys.
Say more broken glass on the channel.
No broken glass on the channel. I don't want to say bye-bye.
Aw. Okay, you guys. Tony just left. So you know what that means. We made some progress in the house. Some DIYing has been done. And I'm so excited to show you the update to the butler's pantry. Oh, it looks like this. Basically, we have tile now. I showed you in the last video our tile came in the mail. Well, this is what it looks like installed. We still have to touch up on the wall a little bit, but I think this looks awesome. I'm so excited about it. He did such a good job. He installed an outlet as well. So we're able to, obviously, I mean, it's an outlet. I don't know. I was just trying to explain that. We can plug things in. I figured like Christmas time, if we wanted to do like a little cocoa bar and have like, I don't know, just stuff laid out, just make it cute. Maybe we wanted to make like little drinks. Maybe we could get our blender plugged in over here and make margaritas or like whatever it is. I just thought an outlet would be really, really handy. So we have that and I think it looks great. So this is the tile. It's the same tile that we have in our kitchen. He literally just installed it. So I don't want to manipulate it like too much and like move it. But I think he did a really, really good job. This is our kitchen. And yeah, you guys, we are making progress. Obviously, we just have to wait on this middle part right here to get finished. And then we're like done. Touch up the walls, decorate it, and it's gonna be so cute. You guys, I am so excited. Briella's mirror is up. It looks amazing. No, this is not a before shot. This is literally the after. It looks so good. It's so secure now into the wall. You can see that. Rob did such a good job. It doesn't even look like he cut out a piece of the drywall. It looks fantastic. RG, what do you think about the wall?
Good. I'm moving my eyeballs.
Good. He's moving his eyeballs. Okay, you heard it here first. We need to clearly like Windex that and wipe it down. But I'm just captivated by the fact that the wall looks amazing. The mirror is up. It's strong. It's not moving anymore. Like, I mean, it wiggles like a little bit because this is a swivel mirror. It's supposed to move. But as far as like the bolting to the wall, it's strong. It's not going nowhere. And I'm proud. Give this video a thumbs up for Rob. Let's end the video. All right, you guys, so I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And all of our DIY projects in today's video, we will see you all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.